A very happy and cheerful morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine and taking good care of your health. So students, are you ready for our subject Value Education? In the last video lesson, we had started with the chapter number 6, Deer and the King. So let us move towards our further story. Take out your textbooks. Deer and the King. So in the last video lesson, if you remember, we had discussed that there was a dense forest in which nearly 500 deer used to live, and then what happened one day, there was the king of the deer named Kanchan Angi, and there was a king who ruled over Kashi, Brahmadatta, and that king was fond of hunting. Every day he used to go to the forest and hunted many animals, and he used to take someone along with him, his subjects, but people were unhappy because they did not want it to accompany the king. So they had planned about one thing, that they shifted the deers from forest into a park. Let us see what happens further. Some people went to the king and informed him. Then some people went to the king and told him that we have imprisoned all the deers in a park. That we have imprisoned all the deers in a park. Now you will not have to go to the jungle for hunting. Now you will not have to go to the jungle every day. The king was happy to hear all this. Next day, the king went to the deer park and saw the deer grazing grass in the park. What happened the next day? The next day, king went to the park, and what did he see there? He saw that the deers were grazing grass in the park. The king saw Kanchan Angi also in that park. He called Kanchan Angi and said, "Kanchan, you are really very beautiful. I shall never kill you. But I want one deer every day for my food. So arrange to send one deer to my place every day without asking." So saying, the king returned to the place. Now what happened? Returned to the place. What happened? The king told Kanchan Angi that you are very beautiful. I will not kill you, but I want one deer every day to my palace and without asking. I will not ask again and again. Okay. From next day, one deer was sent to the king's palace every day. From the next day, what happened? One deer was sent to the palace every day. Once it was the turn of a doe. Now it came the turn of a doe. Who is doe, children? The female of deer. She had a young baby, only a fortnight old, and that doe had a young baby who was only a fortnight old. Fortnight means 14 days. So her baby was only 14 days old. She went to her king, Kanchan Angi, and said, "Sir, today it is my turn to go to the palace. I have a young baby of a fortnight. If I die, there is nobody to look after the baby, and she will also die." Kanchan Angi very sympathetically listened to her request and said, "Go and look after your baby. I shall make some other arrangement." So what happened? जब डो ने किंग अग्नि को बोला, किंग आंगी को that I have a very young baby. If I will die, then there is no one to look after my baby. So the king Angi listened to her request very sympathetically and told, "No problem, I will arrange something else. You take care of your baby." Kanchan Angi thought, "I have been sending one deer every day to the king. I am not doing anything for my subjects." अब कंचन आंगी के दिमाग में क्या आया? That I am sending one deer every day to the palace, but I am not doing anything for them. My body is now getting old. Now anyways, I am getting old. let it be used for some purpose. So let my body be used in the service of others. So he decided to go himself that day to the king's palace. So he decided that today I will go to the king's palace. Thus he planned to save life of the doe and her young baby. Why उसने सोचा कि आज मैं खुद जाता हूँ? To protect the life of the doe and her baby. When Kanchan Angi reached the main gate of the palace, the guard was surprised. When Kanchan Angi reached the main gate of the palace, so everyone was surprised that how the king of the deer is here. He asked Kanchan Angi to wait. He himself went to king and informed him about the arrival of a very beautiful deer with a golden skin. So, जैसे ही वो गेट पे पहुंचा, so everyone was shocked and the guard was surprised. He asked Kanchan Angi, you wait there. Then he himself went to the king and told that today Kanchan Angi is here. So the king did not believe the guard. King thought that मैंने तो उसको बोला था I will not kill you. So how the king Kanchan Angi is here? He himself came to the gate to see the beautiful deer. Then he came to see whether really Kanchan Angi was there. So now I will show you a short video of this part. See the video carefully. See, then some people went to the king and informed that we have shifted the deer from forest to a garden. And listening this, the king was very happy. Next day he went to the garden and he saw that the deer were grazing grass. Then there he also saw Kanchan Angi. And he called Kanchan Angi and said, you are very beautiful. I shall never kill you. But I want one deer to my palace every day without asking. And then he went away to his palace. Next, what happened? One deer was sent to king's palace every day. Then there was a chance of the doe. So the doe told to Kanchan Angi that today is my chance, but I have a young baby. If I will die, then there is no one to look after her. So Kanchan Angi said, okay, no problem. You shall go and take care of your baby. I will make some arrangement. Then Kanchan Angi was thinking that now my body should be used. I am getting old. So he decided to go to the palace. And when he went to the palace, so what happened? Everyone was shocked. See, now he will go to the palace himself. He went to the palace and everyone was shocked that how Kanchan Angi is here. Then the king went and saw that really Kanchan Angi is there in our palace. So we will see what happened in the further story in the next video lesson. Till then, take care, keep smiling, God bless you.